Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from IM222 So we're going to present about PC proposal for this Lisa girl. Lisa is a new student of University Technology Mara, and she decided to buy a new computer for studies and her gaming. Okay. So we suggest Lisa a few components for her new computer. So let's start. Hi dan Assalamualaikum. I'm the first presenter. My name is Nurul Jumaah and I would like to explain about monitor and computer case.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm the second presenter. My name is Umina Dia binti Muhammad Kamal Abdul. I'm going to explain about OS and hardware.
Hi, my name is Shamil Akif. I'm the third presenter. I will talk about software, RAM and processor.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am the last presenter. My name is Nofarahim binti Rosli and I'm going to tell you about hardware and the pricing of the component.
First, for the monitor we choose HP 20KD 90-inch widescreen LED monitor with 1440 multiple 900 goals resolution. This monitor will be suitable for Lisa to do her assignment and her gaming because it has a very high quality. Lisa also can get this monitor with a low price at RM295 Malaysia. So for the computer case, we pick Amazon Kagami K1. This product features is SSD drive and HDD drive bay. So it also support up to 290mm graphic card and support motherboard that is ATX.
So for the motherboard, we choose Asus Prime B350 Plus. So the operating system software, it has Chrome and Microsoft. So for the graphic card, it's to control and improve the graphic display on screen. Next hardware is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that detect hand movement to move the interface generated. Cooler is designed to draw the heat away.
Okay, I will talk about software. There are several software. Firstly is Microsoft. Microsoft Office is a summon from product that produced by Microsoft Corporate that includes Microsoft Excel, Word, Outlook, Publisher, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, next is Adobe Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is web application, which means it is a software that can be used by coders to make a website. So the specification of Dreamweaver is Adobe Dreamweaver CC, a leading all-in-use visual development tool used by web designers, developers worldwide to create, publish, and manage their website. Okay, next is Adobe Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a website application which means it is a software can be used by coders to make a website. Okay, for the processor, we choose AMD Ryzen 3200G with Radeon Vega 8. The processor also includes CPU cooler for the processor and it's very good and quality processor. Okay, next we continue with RAM. RAM, we choose RAM Corsair Value Select. We choose RAM Corsair Value Select 4GB memory, 288 pin, the IMM pin for PC recommendation. The IMM offers variety of advantage and Corsair provides high quality and fastest performance.
So next, I will continue with the printer. Printer is a peripheral which makes human readable present to the user and it makes a copy to an executive document. So we use HP Z3.2 Wi-Fi all-in-one. Secondly, speaker. Speaker is a device to connect to a computer to produce a sound. It is allowed to produce a component portable audio, component private. The Seagate Barracuda is a series of a hard disk drive. We choose this drive because it is cost-effective storage.
Thank you for watching. Bye.